In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change a contact's name on WhatsApp in under a minute on both Android and iPhone. Let's start on Android. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and tap the Chats tab if you're not there already. Step 2. Find the chat with the contact you want to rename, then tap their name at the top of the screen to open contact info. Step 3. On the contact info screen, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then tap Edit. Step 4. In the phone's contact editor, tap the name field, update the contact's name, and tap Save. When you go back to WhatsApp, the new name appears at the top of the chat and in your chats list. Now on iPhone. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and tap the Chats tab at the bottom if needed. Step 2. Open the chat with that contact, then tap their name at the top to open contact info. Step 3. On iOS you'll see Edit in the top right. Tap Edit to open the contact in your iPhone's Contacts app. Step 4. Tap the name field, change the contact's name, then tap Done to save. Go back to WhatsApp, and you'll see the updated name in the chat header and in your chats list. That's it. You've changed a contact name on WhatsApp on both Android and iPhone. Save this video so you can follow the steps anytime you need to update a contact.